What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing something super duper cool. It is this right here, a pair of $30 truly wireless earbuds. Now, these bad boys right here are called the JLab GO Air truly wireless earbuds. And yes, once again, they cost a mere $30. So yeah, I'm super excited to check these bad boys out and see exactly what $30 gets you in this type of headphone. So without further ado, let's get to doing just that and getting these bad boys out of the box, baby. Ooh. Warenotice, I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with the box. As you can see, it's covered in the color blue, and on the front it says JLab GO Air True Wireless Signature Earbuds. Right here it claims 20 plus hours of playtime, which is just crazy for something that once again costs just $30 before taxes. So yeah, over here we got a player of a sports player. Over here on the back it says long battery life, smaller design, dual connect, and custom EQ sound. Over here on this side it talks about some other different things, the custom EQ modes, and there's also a picture of the charging case right here for the earbuds. So yeah, without further ado folks, let's stop just looking at these guys and let's start using them, baby. So here we go, let's pop the box open, and wow. So we got another picture of the charging case, we got a picture of the actual earbuds, we got a picture of the interchangeable ear tips, and we've also got some guidance on the touch controls of the earbuds actually. So yeah, let's open this up, okay? So we can just pop this out, and here is that charging case, super duper small. Let's see, let's grab this, and wow, it's got an integrated charging cable right here, USB, and yeah, we just pull this, I guess, pull, and here are the actual earbuds. So here is one, look at that guy, and here's the other, look at that guy. Look pretty standard to me. And yeah, here's a charging case. We can just put these things to the side for a second when we see what else is in the box. And ooh, look, it wants to stick to the box. Ooh, must be pretty magnetic. That's pretty funny. So yeah, also in the box, we've got some paperwork right here, some information about these headphones. Boop, boop, boop. We can just look at all of this. And yeah, folks. So folks, now to getting these headphones set up. So as you can see right here, I've got the settings app open to the Bluetooth section on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. And I've also got these headphones right here. So all we need to do is just tap JLab GO Air right there. And let's wait for it. And boom, it appears that they are connected. So let's put them in my ears. So this one right here is the right one. I'm gonna do the left one first, just so you guys can get a better viewing of it. So here's that headphone right there, and boop, boop, boop. Oh yeah, $30 in my ears, baby. Okay, so now they're in my ears. Just feels normal. So yeah. Let's play some music, folks. And now, folks, I got these boys all working just fine, audio in both ears, and I've been listening to some music really quickly on them, and let me tell you, they actually do not sound bad, especially for $30. The bass on these bad boys is actually pretty good. So far, I'm liking these. They seem like a pretty good value. And now, folks, to further test the audio on these headphones, I'm going to follow the Warenotice tradition of me singing along to a song in a headphone unboxing video. This time, I'm going to be singing along to none other than, of course, Old Town Road. So here we go, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back, horse stack is attached, hat is matted black, I got the boots that's back to match. Riding on a horse, ha, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch now. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Oh man, and that was me singing along to none other than Old Town Road by Lil Nas X, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. And yeah, moving on now, let me show you some of the touch controls on these headphones. So first, if you tap on the right headphone one time, look at that, the volume turns up just like that. Now if you want to turn down the volume, you guessed it, tap on the left headphone one time, and then boom, 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 turn it down. Now folks, if you double tap on the right headphone, you can play and pause the music. So double tap, and now it is paused. If you double tap on the left headphone, you can talk to Siri. So double tap, and voila, just like that. Hi Siri. And anyway folks, with that, now we can say that we've unboxed a $30 pair of truly wireless headphones, and although I obviously haven't spent much time with them so far, they really don't seem that bad for 30 bucks. So yeah, this is pretty cool that you can get truly wireless headphones now for this cheap. So anyway, folks, definitely let me know what you think of these headphones down in the comments. Would you buy $30 truly wireless headphones, or would you go for something more premium like the AirPods? Definitely let me know down in the comments. I do read all of them, by the way, so I'm definitely excited to hear what you guys think. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button, and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the $30 JLab GO Air truly wireless earbuds, baby. Ooh.